Bunny rabbits like to eat them. I like the orange. Look at the orange. Most important thing is to grab a box because I'm too lazy and too cheap to get a grocery cart. Dry foods, good price. Raisins are cheap. Problem with raisins is I love raisins, but I really don't buy them because guinea pigs can't eat raisins. I do like raisins in oatmeal though. Here it is. The best chocolate in the world, right here. Mosher Rough, 85%. Pretty cheap too. Dark chocolate. Good for the heart, bad for the teeth. These are also really good. Convenience stores will sell Sun Chips for like $5 a bag. It's ridiculous. I mean, it's corn, for Christ's sakes. Huh. Speaking of popcorn. Okay. Looks like the strawberries have been mobbed. These are my favorite oranges. Cara oranges or Cara oranges. Love them. Very sweet. Avocados. Colorful peppers. I like to saute peppers. Colorful peppers. Zucchini. Pretty cheap. Let's take a look at some of their cold items. Butter is $3.75, which is actually $3.49 if you want the hard sweet cream butter. That's about the cheapest there is in Rome, New York. Cottage cheese, $2.75. I like all these cottage cheese. But notice the price of orange juice. Orange juice has really gone up in price. I don't know why. Milk is going down a little. Not by much, but it's gone down. As I tell people, egg substitute is actually cheaper than real eggs. Which is why egg substitutes is selling faster than real eggs. I'll check the price. $4.97. Not too bad for egg prices. Romaine lettuce keeps going up in price. And it's not even real romaine lettuce, it's just a heart of romaines. What I'd like to see all these have is actually the real romaine lettuce. You know, the thick leaves of the lettuce. This isn't even worth $3. Lettuce has really gotten pricey. But I like a good salad with my dinner. Blueberries, let's see where they're from. They're from Riverview, Florida. I didn't know that Florida had blueberries. Little expensive. I like to buy parsley for my guinea pig, but when I buy him a lot of parsley, he simply stops eating it. Drives me nuts. Let's take a look at bread. Not bad. Aldi's has the best prices for bread. Honey wheat bread, $1.85. 12 grain bread, that's my favorite. That's one of my favorites right there, 12 grain. Split top wheat, whole wheat bread. Another favorite of mine. Pretty little. I would have to eat a dozen of these just to get a, you know, just to be content. Those are small. Honeycrisp apples. I think those are everybody's favorite. Look at that. That's an apple. Look at that. That's an apple. Have more stuff now for your home. You know, useless crap. Speaking of useless. The food item. Original mussels. Smashed burgers. Wonder what that's all. Home style meatloaf. Chicken. This is what I like, their cheese. Those got a lot of cheese. Cold jack. Shredded pepper. Provolone. Mozzarella. I love these. Cheesecake. All these pizzas are very popular. Salmon's going up in price. By a few dollars in the last couple weeks. Hamburger. Their hamburger is always good at Aldi's. But look at the price. Yeah. Price is really going up. Chicken rices. isn't a bad price for 2 pounds. $11.50. But they need more fish, more types of fish. I'd like to see like whiting fish and catfish. It would probably actually sell. Comes from China. Wasn't that long ago, olive oil at Aldi's was like a little more than $3. Extra virgin, this organic, premium, mono, avocado with grapeseed oil. Make sure that it says cold pressed. If it doesn't say cold pressed, you don't want it. Same with avocado oil, it should say cold pressed. That's why this grapeseed oil is so not expensive. It's not cold pressed. Fuck off. Canola oil stays the same.